Let's. Whoa! Oh! I don't want to get raped. Is it on? Okay. I don't like this bitch. It's not funny.
It is funny. That's why I'm recording it.
No, it's not. Where'd she go?
She's gone.
Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Where's... No, I don't want to get raped. Go away. Are we gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Cool. YouTube. Die, you whore. No, right for you. Where's she? Where's she? Where'd your teeth go? Her teeth are gone.
Her teeth?
Oh no, it looks like she's supposed to... No, I missed it! Fuck you.
No, thank you.
Okay. I'll save that for Brandon. Great, that's on video. Dirty girl. Dirty girl. Very dirty. I don't have your husband. Apparently you're lesbian because you're coming after me. Oh
my god!
I'm against the wall again.
Bouncy chair.
Oh no. You don't want it? Oh my god, there's a little girl in here! Shit! Shit! There's a little demon! Oh my god! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I don't wanna die. Little demon! Oh my god! I didn't kill Daddy. You killed Daddy. You're the one who sent him after your stupid ball. Oh my little... You little cunt. Cut face. I'm out of film!
Now you're gonna die.
I am gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die.
How did we run out of that much film already?
I don't know.
What the hell did you do?
I looked at you. Oh no, I suck at. Oh my god! You little shit! I died.
We didn't save you.
I know. Oh fuck.
Good job.
He's raping me over the I am. He said squeeze, squeeze.
Excuse me.
We didn't save it, so we have to start a new game?
Yes.
Oh, bullshit.